बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम। मैं हूं याकूब मलिक और आप देख रहे हैं मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल लेटेस्ट नॉलेज हब। आज की ये वीडियो तहसीलदार के उन कैंडिडेट्स के लिए जो PPSC 2025 सेकंड फेज़ की तैयारी कर रहे हैं। जैसा कि आप लोग जानते हैं कि रेवेन्यू लॉज का पेपर MCQ बेस होगा और नेगेटिव मार्किंग भी होगी। तो इस पेपर में एक एक नंबर की बहुत ही अहमियत होती है। लिहाजा इस पेपर के लिए हमने 2020 बहुत ही अहम सवालात जो पंजाब लैंड रेवेन्यू एक्ट 1967 से लिए गए हैं, उनकी कुछ वीडियोज़ इस तरह तैयार की हैं कि आप इन वीडियोस को देखने के बाद इन सारे अहम पॉइंट्स को याद कर चुके होंगे। पहली वीडियो में भी हमने पंजाब लैंड रेवेन्यू एक्ट 1967 के 20 अहम पॉइंट्स डिस्कस किए थे। आज की वीडियो में मज़ीद 20 क्वेश्चंस कुछ इस तरह डिस्कस करेंगे कि आपको इस वीडियो के देखने के बाद रेवेन्यू लॉज के पेपर की तैयारी में काफ़ी हेल्प हो जाएगी। तो आइए आज तहसीलदार 2025 के अहम पेपर रेवेन्यू लॉज में पंजाब लैंड रेवेन्यू एक्ट के 1967 के 20 अहम सवालात को डिस्कस करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाट इज़ शजरा किश्तवार? आंसर, Shajara Kishtwar is a map of a village that shows the position and boundary of every field. Question number 2. Under which section of Land Revenue Act 1967 mutation is laid down? Answer. Mutation is laid down under section 42 of the Land Revenue Act 1967. Question number 3. The post next higher to Patwari is? Answer. The post next higher to Patwari is Punango. Question number 4. The register of crops inspection is called? Answer. The register of crops inspection is called Khasra Girdavari. What is the vernacular word for mutation? The vernacular word for mutation is intakal. Question number 6. When the period of Kharif crops starts in Pakistan? Answer. The period of Kharif crops starts in Pakistan in May and June. Question number 7. When the period of Kharif crops ends in Pakistan? Answer. The period of Kharif crops ends in Pakistan in September and October. Question number 8. The assessment of land revenue remain in force for how many years? Answer. The assessment of land revenue remains in force for 25 years. Question number 9. What is karam? Answer. Karam is a unit of length. Question number 10. What is sarsai? Answer. Sarsai is a unit of area. Question number 11. The unirrigated land which depends on rainfall for cultivation is called? Answer. The unirrigated land which depends on rainfall for cultivation is called brani. Question number 12. The unirrigated lands which are affected by floods or moisture of rivers are called? Answer. The unirrigated land which are affected by flooding or moisture of rivers are called silabi. Question number 13. The land which is irrigated by canal is called. Answer. The land which is irrigated by canals is called Nehri. Question number 14. The land which is irrigated from water of the wells is called. Answer. The land which is irrigated from water of the wells is called Chahi. Question number 15. The land which is irrigated from water of the tube wells is called. Answer. The land which is irrigated from water of the tube wells is called Nal Chahi or Chahi. In some context, but more specifically, it is related to tube wells. Question number 16. The land which is irrigated from two sources, one from wells, second from canal, is called. Answer. The land which is irrigated from two sources, from wells and from canals, is called Chahi Nehri. Question number 17. The land which is irrigated from tanks, jheels, streams, springs or creases is called. Answer. The land which is irrigated from tanks, jheels, streams, springs or creases is called Abi. Question number 18. The land which is irrigated from hill torrents is called. Answer. The land which is irrigated from hill torrents is called Radkohi or Bandiza. Question number 19. The land which remains unsown for 4 to 11 harvest is called. The land which remains unsown for 4 to 11 harvest is called Banjar Kham. Question number 20. The land which remains unsown from 12 harvest is called. Answer. The land which remains unsown for 12 harvest is called Banjar Jadid. तो आज की वीडियो में ये 20 क्वेश्चन जो रेवेन्यू लॉज के पंजाब लैंड रेवेन्यू एक्ट 1967 से लिए गए हैं, उम्मीद करते हैं ये आपके लिए बहुत ही बेनिफिशियल साबित होंगे रेवेन्यू लॉज के पेपर के लिए। तो मज़ीद इस तरह की वीडियोस के लिए आप हमारे चैनल के साथ जुड़े रहें, हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, हमें अपनी दुआओं में याद रखिएगा। याकूब मल्ले को इजाज़त दीजिए। थैंक यू। अल्लाह हाफिज़।